Good morning, guys. Today we work on 2014 Ford Focus 2.0 liter engine. So the customer complains the check engine light on. As you can see, the check engine light right there. Right now the key on. So this vehicle no any driving issue, everything normal, but it's just the check engine light on. So confirm the customer complaint. We start the engine. So the customer complaint confirmed. As you can see, the engine run right now. The check engine light still stay on. Okay, first thing, we don't know any problem with here. Just only we have to. I have the scan tool here. Go with this far. I don't want to make it long in the video. You see, we read the code. Come on. Damn, the vehicle out there on the road. So loud noise. Sorry guys. Okay, as you can see, we have 0456, 0456, 0456. Right here, continuous snapshot free frame data. Okay, we have the EVAP code on this. As you can see, 0456 evaporated emission system leakage. Very small leak. Oh man, I hate very small leak. Okay, because why? You know, sometimes very small leak, even you apply the smoke to the system, you still don't see the smoke coming out. And if we don't see the smoke coming out, we have to use the salt water, spray some area that we think leaking out from there, and then you might find a problem. That's why I hate. Also, I hate the EVAP system on this model because it's no tap valve at all. I mean, it's no straight valve to tap. Okay, anyway, let's go under the hood and I will get everything ready and show you guys what's going on out there. Before that, I'd rather to go back here, go to the touch something. Let's see, this is a fur valve, it is a vent valve. I choose the vent valve, the vent valve. Okay, right now we can able on and off the vent valve by the scan tool. When we on, this valve normally open, and when we on this valve, that means the valve will be closed and then seal the system, and while apply the pressure to the system and to see on the tool it hold the pressure or not. Okay, let's go under the hood, see what's going on. Okay guys, under the hood here, I have something to get ready here to test for the system. Yeah, the scan tool still here. The function is still off right now, so I have the smoke machine here. For now, I don't need to connect the smoke machine for the power because for now I don't need it. I just put the smoke machine here, the pressure hose here. Later I will connect to the smoke machine. Okay, and I will put the air pressure to the system. As you can see right here, the per valve. This is after the per valve, and go to the behind the throttle body. As you can see the connector there. I hate this connector. You know what? In a tight room like this, it's hard, very hard to disconnect it, and sometimes it will hurt your hand. And as you can see, this side, the connector like this, and run the hose to this. No way to disconnect it right here, and in the before the valve, no way disconnected, and the hose run all the way around here, and connect to the middle hose right there. Okay, I hate this system. I hate. Okay, in order to test the system on this, what I'm thinking, for example, if it's leaking by the connector right here, inside here we have the O-ring. If this O-ring is leaking, for now, if we disconnect right here, that means later we test, we don't know anymore, because we disconnect right at the leaking location. But you see, the per valve seem to be, they just change for a while. As you can see on this hose, it seems to be dirty, and see this hose dirty, but the EVAP hole here seems to be shiny, look new to me. Even the label here still track color. But anyway, when we see something like that, that means someone involved here to fix the problem. Maybe same problem, the problem still here, or maybe another problem, but they somehow they change the per valve. For me, I think they change it for a while, because as you can see down there, the per valve hose is still new. Okay, one more thing. This is after the per valve. For example, is leaking from this connector or leaking from that connector. We don't have the EVAP leak code. Okay, if this hole leaking, we will have the engine vacuum leak before the per valve. This hose all the way to the tank. If leaking, we will have an EVAP code. Loud noise vehicle. Okay, in order to remove the connector, we have no choice. You can see the blue clip right there, and you have to both fingers to open it, lift it out, and yeah, you can move. Sorry, I just only one hand. Yeah, I have this, and then right now you still cannot disconnect this. You see in the back here, I have one more blue clip in the back here, and you can see. Let me use the mirror. You might see that. Okay. Yeah, you can see in the mirror you have one more blue. You have to track it in before you disconnect it. Let me try one hand and see. Yeah, maybe work. As you see, when I track it, you can see it in the front, it pop out like that. See? I don't know if you guys can see in the video. Yep, right there. Both sides, guys. Okay. Track it. Pull it. Okay. I have the hose disconnected. So now, what I wanna do, I will use the little hose like this, fit in there. Connected it. So I will take one hand. Okay, guys. Okay, I will off the camera and let my cameraman help me. Okay. Okay, I have the camera on the cameraman right now. So first thing, I try to close this valve, and this is the air pressure regulator. So I will connect air sock to the tube. As you can see, on another side, I still leave it outside here, and I will turn on this valve. Okay, and you can see the little bar right there. How much it pop up depend on how much you open here. If you turn more, that means more air flow to the light here, and it will push it all the way up. If you close back, when this guy is still outside. Okay, so now I try to put this guy in the hose. Right now I have the hose right there. Okay, there's a hose here. Yep, let's show a good connection. Okay, right now the pressure is air flow go to the system. You can see on the tube the bar still here. Is it right? No matter that that's hole, this hose outside or connected, the air still flow the same. Why? Because the vent valve here still up. Okay, hope you guys see in the video. I don't know, I hate the flare too. Okay, now as you can see right now it's up. Okay, it's okay like that, for easy you guys see. Okay, right now on the scan tool I turn it on. Okay, you guys can see it on right now, and look at that, it's on like that. You can see it's still right there. We don't know yet because we have a little time, like a few minutes, to get it build up the pressure on the fuel tank side. Okay, if we don't need to wait for long, you turn it more like that. Okay, right now the bar go all the way up, guys, and in the scan tool still stay. Let's see, hard for me to see in the, yeah, still on. Okay, and as you can see on the pressure gauge right there, the needle seems to be built up. How fast it is depend on how much you open more air. Like you can see right now, if the bar, you can see right now, the bar drop slowly. What that mean? That mean on the fuel tank side, the pressure build up the same thing on the hose side right here. Okay. If this bar drop all the way back to the bottom, that means the system sealed. We don't have the lid. We don't have the lid. Yeah, I think I can see. I can able to zoom for you guys see right there. The bars drop all the way. That means from the hose we touch right there. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, sorry for. Yeah. You can see the bar up right there, and the vacuum gauge to build pressures. Okay, right there. This means this system no leak at all. Okay, guys. Earlier we did the test from the connector here on the metal hose here back all the way to the tank. We got no leak on from the connector all the way back to the tank. So now I try to connect it back. Yeah, good connection for now, and everything back in place. So now what I want to do, I will apply the pressure from the vent valve, but this time I don't need to close the vent valve because I need air goes all the way, build pressure to the tank and all the way to the metal hose and all the way to the per valve hose here to see we have any leaking from this hose to that connector, even the per valve itself. Okay, let's see what we have for the next step. Okay guys, down here another vehicle right at the chocolate connector here. This is the vent valve hose to the filter. I disconnect this hose, and as you can see the vent valve electrical connector here, the vent valve is here. So, and I try to put another hose, my two hose here, and I put the pressure to this hose. As you can see the hose handle here, but look on the scan tool, on the tool here on the smoke machine. As you can see, the bar is dropped all the way down. Even to turn any, it's still no leak. Okay, let me try one more time for you guys see by release the pressure by disconnect the guy here. Okay, as you can see here in the video, it makes shit like that. Okay, I put it right there now, and as you can see the bar right now drop all the way here. It's hard to see in the video. I try to close it valve. Yeah, close it. Yeah, you can see the bar drop, and look the bar. Yeah, it's up now. I try to turn more to get easy build pressure in the tank because air inside the tank. Yeah, let me put it back. Yeah. Yeah, let me put it back. Okay, I think good for me. Look on the gauge. You see the pressure build up right now. Yep, the needle keep moving up, and we'll take for a while and see how the bar drop. Okay, as you can see the bar right here. Yep, keep dropping. Dropping. Come on. Okay, right now the bar dropped all the way down, guys. Okay, that means up there under the hood on the per valve side, per valve hose, per valve cell, we also got no leak. Okay guys, this test we test for the hose on the per valve side from the connector here, the O-ring in here, the connector itself is cracked, it leak, the hose here is cracked, leak, and the connection right here, if it's bad connection, it leak, and the per valve itself, it cracked, the body, it will leak. But we got the results, no leak. Okay, the question is, what caused the leak code on this vehicle? Okay guys, we search for the fault codes on this vehicle. As you can see, the fault code is 0456 and 0456 here, EVAP emission system leak detected, very small leak. Okay, some reason blah blah here, we don't really need to know that. We already checked, no leak at all. And as you can see, go to the recall to see any recall from this vehicle on this problem. Okay, as you can see, recall for safety. You can see, go to the service bulletin, the recall. As you can see on the engine list, 2012, 2018, 2.0 liter engine. What is caused here? As you can see, any recall on this, because sometimes the software, the computer set the code by itself, but really no leak at all. Like we did the test. Okay, as you can see, something say blah 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 here, but you can see the code, a bunch of code here, 443, 452, and also 456 being recall on this vehicle. Okay, that's it guys. This vehicle is sold back to the dealer and let them check it out, the software, computer, try to avoid reprogram something, and it will fit the problem. Over here we cannot do anything with that. We just do the test, the system no leak at all. Okay, that's it guys. The vehicle need back to the dealer, to the force, and let them check for the computer software. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.